Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing really great. Before starting with our today's video, I just want to tell you guys that we have already uploaded a Bank Nifty lunch strategy on our channel, which has been giving us really amazing profits. Like on the last trading session, that is 18th of September, Friday, it gave us almost 500 points in the Bank Nifty in just a couple of minutes. So if you haven't checked that video out yet, I'll just put a link into the description so that you can go ahead and check it out and make some amazing profits. Let's talk about our today's video. Today's video is about a downtrend day jackpot strategy. This strategy is again very simple. We don't have to look at any kind of charts or indicators for this. We just have to get our levels and get into the trade according to this strategy. So let's talk about what the strategy is. Now, according to this strategy, if Nifty and Bank Nifty spot price at open and high are same, 90% plus chances are that the day is going to be a downtrend day. The only condition here is that the high should not be broken till 10:30 a.m. Now, if these two conditions are meeting, then we can be sure that the day is going to be a downtrend day and we can create a put side position to generate good profits. Now for example, if Nifty spot price at open is 11,580 and the high is also the same and that high is also not been broken till 10:30 a.m. Consider that any in the money PE side position is about to hit a jackpot. Now why I said in the money PE side? Because in the money generates more profit than out of the money. Simple. Plus, open and high could vary for a maximum of 10 points for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty the open and high could vary for a max of 30 points. If these conditions are satisfied, then we'll take an entry in the money PE for the jackpot, and this strategy is valid till 2:45 p.m. and in between 10:30 to 2:45, whenever you are getting good profits out of it, you can exit the position. Now let's talk about stop loss and target. For Nifty, the stop loss would be 30 points and the target would be 50 points. For Bank Nifty, stop loss would be 120 points and target would be open. Now consider this, that we are putting a stop loss of 120 points. So our first target has to be 120 points. It won't be less than 120 points. And after your first target has been achieved, you will trail your stop loss. Now let's talk about some of the facts about this strategy. We won't be getting much trades according to this strategy, but whenever we get a trade based on this strategy, we are going to hit a huge jackpot. So the possibility is that we will be getting only one or two trades per month according to this strategy, but its accuracy is 90%. And in the last 4 years it gave profits in 45 trades out of 50 trades. Now that's an amazing accuracy and one should definitely follow this strategy. Now let's do a quick summary of this strategy before moving to the examples. For this strategy to work, Nifty and Bank Nifty open and high spot price should be same till 10:30 a.m. and that high should not be broken even for once till 10:30 a.m. And if that happens, we'll create a put side position and we'll hold it till 2:45 and we'll exit as soon as we are getting good profits out of it. So this is a very simple strategy, and now we are going to look at some of the examples. So now we are looking at the most recent example of this strategy in action. Check here, Nifty open was 11,584.1 and Nifty high was 11,584.1, and this hasn't been breached even for once. We are looking at the most recent example, that is 18th September 2020. Okay, and see, this much of a fall we did see on the same day. And if we talk about the nearest in the money option, that would be 11600 p. See this much of a rise, and let's say we got an entry at 10:30. This would be our entry, and let's say we got an entry at the highest price, that is 115.9. We put a stop loss of 30 points, that is 85.9, and the lowest would be on this candle, which is 92.1. We didn't hit our stop loss, but we almost got 70 points. The high is 189, so almost 70 plus points we got from a single lot. It is as simple as that. We didn't have to look at any charts, we didn't have to look at any indicators. And if we talk about Bank Nifty, the open was 22,439.35. High was 22,469.4. I already told you that we can consider a maximum deviation of 30 points in Bank Nifty and a maximum deviation of 10 points in Nifty. So this is eligible. And if we had taken a trade in an in the money option, that would be 22,500 at around 10:30. We got an entry at 405.9 and we put a stop loss of 120 points, that would be 295.9. We didn't even reach close to our stop loss, and see the high was 851. So almost 450 points in single lot of Bank Nifty, and that too in options. That's an amazing amount of profit as per the intraday. So we almost doubled our money here. So that's the power of this strategy. That is how accurate and that is how huge profits it could give. So for now, that's all. Do let us know what you think about this strategy in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Goodbye, take care, and love you all.